Almost a year ago today, I put down my first application of fertilizer, so I think it's about time. Still has a little slowly coming in green. I did my scalp, I did my scarification, got my yard all cleaned up. Got two days of 60% chance of rain, or I think 3, but we got some good chances of rain. Water it in. I don't have an irrigation system, so I have to watch the weather calendar and always be ready to coordinate all my applications according to the rain to get optimum efficiency in it. So we're going to throw down some fertilizer on this front yard and the backyard. In fact, I'm either a glutton for punishment or I need the exercise. I'm going to throw it down on all 27,000 square feet around my property. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda, and you guessed it, my fertilizer of choice is the GreenTRX by Anuvia. It's a 16:1:2 ratio. This is actually last year's bag. This year, GreenTRX, or Anuvia, I guess you could say, reformulated their product. They actually have 3 different fertilizers, and I can't wait to get my hands on that and try it out and show you guys. But first, we're going to go ahead and use up this fertilizer. I think I've got 2.5 bags left. Yeah, it's about a half a bag, probably I'd say 30 pounds left in it. I'm going to load up the old hopper, set it on 15 right here. And what that does, that puts down 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet of product. I'll put a little link up here in the top right to my video from last year where I talk about GreenTRX being my favorite Bermuda fertilizer. And if you hadn't seen the data sheet for it, I'll show it to you real quick. It's a 16:1:2 formulation, nitrogen 16%, phosphorus 1%, potassium 2%, and then it's got 17% sulfur and a 2% iron formula. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video. Just showing you what I'm did to really kickstart my lawn season. My previous videos, you know, showed my scalping and scarification and some soil conditioning. But as you know, fertilizer is what really kicks it into gear, helps it start greening up. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down here in this corner. Hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know, what did you do to kickstart your season? What did you do to help your grass green up? Hope you guys have a great week. See you soon.